Hello, this is Dr. Yum. This time we are going to learn the function which is called select via locations. So I add here the cities in the Cuyahoga County here and the landmarks in the Cuyahoga County. So first of all, as we did, I'm going to set up the special reference for this properties. So I'm going to use state plane Ohio North like this. So you have to do this at the first time. So click OK. So now we got something pretty maps. So what is the select by location is? You are going to select the landmarks within city of Cleveland, or within Strongsville, within Shaker Heights, whatever you want. Or you can also select entire. You can select the entire like the landmarks in the Cuyahoga counties. So let me show you how to do it. So first of all, in order to do selective by location, you need to find the tool. You're gonna go vector, and then it is under research tools. You can see here select by locations. I don't know why this tool is under research tools, but it's just in the selective by locations under research tool. You just click here. So then now we have the selective by location tools here. Okay, so first of all, select the feature from what? Here, landmarks, right? Just keep showing the default, the special reference. Don't worry about it. And then by comparing from what? Cities. Okay. Then you can select the like the many like the selections here, but usually I do here with the point file. Your points are within the boundaries. So now you can do like the run. Then you can see all these things has been selected here because they are within Cuyahoga counties, right? So if you open your attribute table, everything has been selected, right? Right? So I'm going to deselect this thing again. I'm going to, but actually I want to select the landmarks within Cleveland. So I'm going to click this selection tool, click this, and here something like the empty space on the city of Cleveland, I click this. Okay. So you're gonna go here, click this and select the feature, then I turn off this the point file, then I just select the city of Cleveland. Then I turn on like here. So actually I wanna know how many dots within this. Right? Then I'm gonna go again, vector, research tools, select by locations. Then now same thing, select the feature from point and are within. I uncheck this one, and then by comparing to the feature from cities in the Cuyahoga County. Then now what is the most important thing is you need to check select the feature only, which means if you check this QGIS will count the point within the selected feature, which is the city of Cleveland, within here. So if you don't check this box, it will count everything. So you are going to check the selected feature only, so which means you want to know the landmarks within the city of Cleveland. Then I'm going to run. Then now I'm going to close it. I'm going to open like this. So you can see here everything within city of Cleveland, right? Then now you can see here there are total 554. Then you select the 125. So then now we are going to right click, export layer, and save feature as. You select the ESRI shapefile. Then you can say here you can name your layers, but I need to select where I'm going to save. So here I will say landmarks Cleveland. Save it. Don't touch, just save it. Click OK. Then now, if you turn off, wait a minute. Then I did a mistake. I did a mistake because I selected all the point file within the city of Cleveland. When I saved it, I right click and export, then I use this, which means you are exporting entire point file. So you need to select save selected feature, which means you are going to export only all the points within city of Cleveland. So I'm going to click this. Then again, I'm going to do it. Landmark CLE 2 and save it and click OK. So now you can see here, if I turn off these things, so you will see like this, right? So be careful when you export your layers. So then now let's see here. Attribute tables we have here. So all these are within the city of Cleveland, right? So I'm going to ascendings. Then you can see here. Then what we want to do, we want to make a table, right? We want to make a table. So I will do here, if you click this, you're gonna select all. Then if you go here, so you're gonna copy the selected row to the clipboard. It's just the same as the Control C. You just click this. Then gonna go with your access preset. Click here and Control V. Right? Then maybe you don't need this. Delete them. So then now we have the older everything here. So we got many names here. Alright. So I'm going to go up, down, everything selected. So then now we are going to here, I will say count and 1 and 1. You know what I'm doing. So we are going to do some kind of the pivot table, because we want to know what kind of things, what kind of landmarks in the city of Cleveland, how many, right? So click this. I'm going to select these two like this, right? Then I'm gonna go insert pivot tables, and I click OK. So then now types and count, right? So we got like this. So all they are in the city of Cleveland. So you can just Control C, copy, and put the new. Yeah, you can do that. So you can use these things. You can copy and paste on this thing on your Word document, right? This is like the insert, like we can do right click, the merge, and city of Cleveland, landmarks. Then you can do here, click this. Right? So you can also change the name of this, like here, types, and this is the just count. Just write down here, count. Whatever. So you can do this, right? So you already know how to do pivot tables. Table field, you could just, okay. So you can do this later, I mean on your assignment. So it is important to create a table like this, okay? You can just copy and paste on your Word document. So this is how to do selective by location. So you can also do, for example, I'm going to open this and deselect, then using this tool, select Cleveland. Also I press the control, and then this is maybe Strongsville, right? So this is the, what is this? The shaker. And let me see the labels. Let me make the label, because I don't know which one is which. Single labels. Yes, okay. So this is Palma City. Mannings, right. One character, supply, okay. So Cleveland. So this is the Strongsville. Let's do the Bricksville like this, and Solon. And then turn on your, like the point shape file, and deselect, and do the vector research tools, selective by locations. So this one should be city of Cleveland. With ends, you can do this. And if I run, it selects everything. I'm going to check because I did not check this one. I select the feature only. Run again. Now it's selected like this. Only right here. So I'm going to open attribute table. You can see this, right? So this is how you can do selective by locations. Okay, remember, selective by location is not difficult, but you need to be careful. Two things, research tool here. So this part, selective by features only. Also, when you export it like this, export, you need to use the save selected feature QGIS. Okay, so these two things is need to be careful. Then you already saw how to do the pivot table. Okay, so thank you for watching.